Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, December 10th. So what do we got going on? Not a whole lot. We have NFIB Small Business Index, which came out at 6 a.m., which came in better than expected at 101.7 versus 94.6, which was even better than the previous, which is 93.7. So big jump in Small Business Index. That's a good thing. OPEC is meeting today all day long. We'll see little dribbles of that coming out. 8:30 we had revised non-farm productivity quarter on quarter, which was less than expected, 2.2% versus 2.3, and revised unit labor cost quarter over quarter, which was actually better, 1.3 versus the actual was only 0.8. So that's actually a good thing. But that's it. So not a lot. Obviously, these numbers were not anything but yellow items, just low impact. So not much to worry about too much. Now tomorrow, looking ahead, we have CPI. So it should start getting some news related movement starting tomorrow. Moving on. Big pullback day yesterday. Well, not big, but at least somewhat of a pullback day. Pulling back into that previous high, all-time high at 60.51.50. That's going to be support. If we break that, we could maybe come back down into the right in there 6,010 area, maybe the 6,000 area is possible. As you can see, this looks very, very toppy. It looks like it's starting to turn over. We could have a day or two, a little bit more of a pullback before we resume the Santa Claus rally. That being said, we had a little bit greater volume yesterday on that move down. A lot of people maybe getting out on the sidelines, but nothing to write home about volume-wise. So volume still pretty puny. Looking at the inventory was negative, which you would expect to see on negative price action. So those two are correlated, nothing to worry about there. Looking at the intraday overnight 71 to 57. So see, that would be 13, 14 points. About 14 points. That's a pretty tight, narrow band. And you can see that it was overnight until about 5 o'clock this morning, and then we got going. So below average volatility, at least in the overnight session. Again, looking at support and resistance, definitely have some resistance up here around 60.88, 61.05. Of course, above that is in no man's land, maybe 61.35. Support, definitely got some support going on at 60.50, 60.40, 60.15, 60.10. And then there is a decent amount of support around 59.90, just below the whole number of 6,000. So that are your support resistance numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for 10th is 52.4, 52.4 from the Stock Traders Almanac. I'm going to have to order my new one for the next year. That being said, hope you have a great day. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.